Agriculture is the mainstay of India's economy. It accounts for 26% of the gross domestic product. It ensures food security for the country and produces several raw materials for industries. Agricultural development is therefore a precondition of our national prosperity. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, India lives in villages and agriculture is the soul of Indian economy, and these words still ring true today. India ranks about 74 out of 113 major countries in terms of food security index. India's agricultural economy is undergoing structural changes. Between 1970 and 2011, the GDP share of agriculture has fallen from 43% to 16%. Hello, my dear students. So today in this session, we will be summarize overall the agricultural chapter which we have already discussed in our previous classes. In this video, here is a brief summarization of the entire agricultural chapter and some of the major crops that are frequently grown in the Indian context. Recently, smart farming is an emerging concept that refers to managing farms using modern information and communication technologies to increase the quantity and quality of products while optimizing the human labor required. An information and technology based farm management system identifies, analyzes, and manages variability in fields by conducting crop production practices at a right place and time and in the right way for optimum profitability, sustainability, and protection of the land resource. Smart farming reduce waste, develop productivity, and enable management of a greater number of resources through remote sensing. Smart farming, also called or precision farming, it includes a range of technologies including remote sensing, Internet of Things or IoT, devices, robotics, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence to form an integrated crop production management system on a site specific basis to increase profits, reduce waste, and keep the environmental quality. So here we came up to the end of this chapter. So all of you, I think, quite understood all this chapter in the summarized form. And in our next session, we will start a new chapter which is known as industry. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.